Below, you can see some of these infinite animation videos that went super viral on TikTok and Instagram. I'll show you how to easily create this in under 5 minutes. Okay, so to create this, you can use a free platform Deforum. It's an extension of Stable Diffusion, which can be accessed with the Google Colab document below. If this is your first time running it, then it will take a few minutes. Make sure you have plenty of storage in your Google Drive, as it can take up a lot of space. Now let's follow the second link I've put in the description below. This is called a checkpoint, and we'll need it to create the same style as shown before. Download the link, and once everything has been downloaded, access the Stable Diffusion folder following the pathway. We normally use the default, but today we'll set it to custom, then just copy and paste the path from below. After this, we'll use 3D mode and put 100 frames to see what happens. Now just change the below settings to mine. Great, I'll also make all these settings and prompts available with loads more resources for you if you want to learn more about Deforum in the description below. For this next step, use any prompts you want, but I suggest for them to be more detailed and exciting than you might think. We'll select our dimensions as 540 by 960, as we're going for portrait here. Steps are at 30, so it renders quickly, and sampler is Euler essential. Now I'm going to select C behavior as iter, and leave init strength as 0.8. Select use init and drop your image below. This image should be a screenshot from the video you want to apply this effect to. Then just hit run. Make sure your computer doesn't enter screensaver mode, as you'll have to start again unless you have the upgraded version. After those frames have rendered, let's hit play on our animation. Now you should have something that looks pretty cool. But for the final part of the video, let's hop over to Veed.io. Place your original video you took from the image, then place your animated video from Deforum. Adding some quick music, we have our final product.
Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Yes, that is a nice ring.
Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the process, ask them in the comments below.